Hey guys, welcome to day 9 of our Christmas DIY event, and I have another bath pampering recipe for you today. So yesterday when we did the bath bombs, they were really for the kids. They're a lot of fun, colourful, and yeah, anything that gets your kids into the bath and keeps them happy while they're in there is a win. Today we're going to focus on something that's more for the grown-ups, and I've got 2 recipes for you. So we're going to make an oatmeal milk bath soak and a fragrant bath tea. So both of these are a bit of a twist on the traditional bath salts. So if you think just your regular Epsom salt, a couple of oils, some coconut oil, chuck it in the bath, this is kind of taking it a step up, and we're going to specifically target target's not the right word, that doesn't sound good. We're going to tailor these to suit specific needs. So what you'll need to make them are some little muslin bags. So I've got these. So they came from Kmart. I think it was a pack of 5 for like $3 or something. So they're really cheap, just these little muslin bags, and we're going to fill them up with good stuff and make a bath soak or a bath tea. So the first one that I want to share with you is an oatmeal milk bath soak. So if you know anyone who has very dry, irritated, inflamed, red skin, this would be the type of thing that will really suit them. So the oatmeal and the milk, really soothing, really nourishing, very gently exfoliating. There are lots of products actually at the chemist that use oatmeal. If you check those out, they're aimed at specific skin conditions. So this is a homemade version, pantry ingredients, really, really easy to make, but so pretty. So you can package them up in these little bags and put a pretty label on the top, and it's just gorgeous. Who wouldn't want to receive one of these? So the way that you use them, pop your label off first of all so it doesn't turn to mush, and you can either drop it straight into the bath and just have it in there with you, or you can just undo. See, I've tied the string on the top just around the top a little bit so nothing comes out, but you can just kind of unloop that and hang it over the spout on your bath, and then you can let all the water kind of run through that. So whichever way you want to do it, you get all of the good stuff that's in here into your bath with you. So I'll give you the recipe for an oatmeal milk bath soak. So first thing you'll need is milk powder. So 1 cup of milk powder. We want 1/2 cup of rolled oats, 1/4 cup of bicarb, and we're going to add our essential oils. So I think about 10 drops is perfect. I think 5 drops max per bath is plenty. So the oils that I've chosen for this little oatmeal milk bath, so for someone who's got red, irritated, dry, inflamed kind of skin, the oils that I've chosen for that would be lavender and Roman chamomile. So smells really sweet and pretty, very soothing. This is going to be a very relaxing bath to be in. So 6 drops of lavender, 4 drops of Roman chamomile, and you would get 2 of these bags out of that recipe. So really pretty, really easy, and very effective too. Fantastic for skin. So the second recipe I want to share, actually before I just tell you how to make it, that would be handy. All we want to do really is whiz up the oats and combine everything. So I just threw it in the Thermomix for like 5 seconds on about speed 6. Food processor, blender, whatever you got, just throw the ingredients in there, give them a bit of a whiz around, divide it into 2 bags, pop on some pretty labels, and you're good to go. The second one I want to share is a fragrant bath tea. So if you think about these, where's my bag? Think about these as kind of giant tea bags. So just like you'd have a tea bag in a cup of water to drink, you got your giant tea bag for your bath as well. So for the second recipe, it's a more traditional like Epsom salts bath. And I don't know if you've seen them, but there are lots of recipes for bath salts that have dried herbs and flowers and things in there, and they look really pretty in the jars. But if you actually put that in the bath with you, you're going to have little bits of herbs and flowers floating around in the water, and they stick to your skin, and then when you get out of the bath, you're going to have to clean it because there's bits of flowers and stuff stuck in your bath. So I have no interest in doing any of that. So when you use a bag, that solves all of those problems because all those bits are kept in the bag. So for this recipe, again, it makes 2 bags as well, 2 gifts. So 1 cup of Epsom salts, half a cup of bicarb, and we want to use a handful of dried flowers. So I really like using dried rose petals. You can get them really cheaply on eBay. You can get organic dried rose petals on eBay. I like using the rose because rose is a very expensive oil, and it's not one that I would be putting in my gift bags. So by using the rose petals, we do get that beautiful rose aroma, and then I would use oils like lavender, geranium, clary sage, maybe some jasmine, the Roman chamomile again, anything that's really soothing, relaxing, very floral, really pretty oils in this one, so it's a really relaxing bath. So use whatever oils that you like, something that you think is going to go beautifully with the rose, and everything goes with rose. So your handful of rose petals, and again 10 drops of essential oils. You don't want to go any higher than that. So yes, I've mentioned all the oils. So again, pop them all in the bag. You don't need to whiz that one up. You can just do that in a bowl, mix everything together and divide it between 2 bags and pop on a pretty tag, and you're good to go. So really, really easy stuff, and very pretty, and would be greatly appreciated at Christmas. Anyone who's got a bath will love these. I know not everyone has a bath, so tomorrow I'm going to be sharing a little recipe for something that you can use in the shower. So I will be back same time tomorrow with that recipe. If you've enjoyed today's recipes, please give this video a like, share it around to anyone in your community who likes DIY, especially at Christmas time if you're hand making gifts. If you don't have your oils yet and you're keen to make some of these beautiful things, please go back to the person who introduced you to the oils, or if that's me, you can send me a message and we can have a chat all about your options, and we can get you a free bottle of frankincense valued at $120. If you want to get your oils in time for Christmas to be making some beautiful gifts, you have to have your order in before the 10th, which is Monday, so really not far away. So if you're keen to get some oils, please reach out to me or to have whoever introduced you to the oils, and we can get you started. So thanks for watching today, guys. I will be back same time tomorrow with another recipe, and yeah, still lots of good stuff to come. So have a fantastic day. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.